it's Denise and
Robin
at the Sage Essential Oils Bar in Flemington. And we were just having this conversation and I thought it would be cool to share it with you guys. So it's basically about how a lot of people say to us, oh, I don't have time to learn about essential oils, or there's so much to know and I don't know where to start. And so Robin was sharing with me how she came to know a bunch about essential oils, and so go ahead.
Right, so we just got into the conversation and my answer was, well, I started off using essential oils. I didn't know. I only knew what I needed to know right then, or I only looked up what I needed to know right then. And that's how I got started. At that time, I don't even remember what it was, but I would just research it, each individual thing, as I needed to know. There's this great book here. So this is a great resource. It's got a fantastic index in the back that includes not just a list in alphabetical order of all the oils, so you can look up all the properties by oil, but you can also look up by issue or concern. Whatever it is that happens to be bothering you on that day, you look it up in alphabetical order, and then you figure out how to use your oils.
So easy.
It is very easy.
There's also Google, and what I like to do is just type in like doTerra headaches, and then I jump over to the images tab, and I'll just, you know, look at all the different images people have put up on their Instagram or on their Facebook, and roller bottle suggestions and spritzer blends and all kinds of stuff. So it's so easy to learn little by little about the oils. You don't have to know everything right as you're starting out. So just so you know, you can come to one of our classes. We're having a class tonight actually at Sage, Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Every week there's going to be a class on a different topic. And Monday nights at 6 p.m. we're going to have a basics, getting back to basics. So if you are wanting to learn about essential oils but don't know where to start, this is the place to come, the Sage Essential Oils Bar in Flemington, New Jersey. And if not, contact us and we'll do an online thing for you. We can get together on Zoom. Yay!